So because I don't need to take the oil out of my vehicle, we're just gonna go ahead, I've got a little quart here, and I'm gonna drop this in here, and then we're just gonna go ahead and manually start to pump. And then you'll see, as I start to pump, look, there you go, right away. Make sure that doesn't, it's pulling it right out. There we go. And now it's gonna go ahead and start depositing it right into the body here. Very easy. I'm not having to put a lot of pressure on this at all. Do you see I lifted it out there? There we go. Now let's stick it back in. It's still got enough pressure. So when it runs out of pressure, then we go ahead and we can go ahead and then pump it back up. But you can see everything moving through here nicely. Look, this is almost empty. There we go. So then we'll just go ahead and take this off. Now they give you this piece right here. This little funnel nozzle just slides right over the threads. Now let's go right back in, and I'm going to show you how to use the pneumatic part. So that's threaded on there. This piece is threaded on, and then this pivots. I'm going to leave the valve closed. Let's just make our connection. There we go. And now we're going to control the flow with this. Watch. And here we go. Here comes the oil, and slowly but surely you can see all that oil. Now it's starting to move. So if you're looking for something like this to get the oil like out of your engine or really out of any container into another container, changing your brake fluid, it works great. Very simple to set up, not complicated to understand. So yeah, I'm really happy with this. They did a good job. Definitely pick it up and check it out. That's my quick review, and thanks for watching.